magkuha. So we have fundamental techniques in badminton footwork. We have the basics of footwork, the base point, the waiting position and split step, and the body balance. So to be able to perform the footwork well, we should know we should have the knowledge about the basics of footwork. So the base point, this is the position in a court where you always return after after every shot. So it is where you have to wait before the opponent hit the shuttle back. So base point, ato ka sa center, imong base. Then, once you have learned about the always returning to the base, the principle to master is the waiting position or the split step. Ito magbuhat ka dito marabutungan ng sugat. Then, kaya siya, the waiting and the split step or position and movement you do just before your opponent hits the shuttle. So, imong position ay sa dili pa mo kada mo serve agad yung opponent. Then, body balance. So, it is important because it allows you to reach the shuttle in a position where you can still hit it comfortably. It also allows you to recover much faster to the base point. So if you have a good balance, kanang dali ka maka-reach sa kanang shuttle o maka-recover faster balik sa imong base point. So kanang always remember nga badminton is not only about hitting the shuttle but also how the feet move in the right way.
And everyone, now I will discuss the types of footwork in badminton. So the first one is basic stance or the ready position. So kani siya is kanang bitaw imong mga kanang tuhod is nakabend bitaw gamay kay para maka-ready ka inagtira sa kanang kontra or kanang maka-prepare ka. Then next is I so split step. Kani is a step that allows you to get in position and then balance to react to the next shot. It is a light not plan with good makuan imong air. Then kani is kanang nakalukso gamay imong duha ka tail then kanang aron bitaw ilag kanang inatira sa kanang kontra is maka-react dayon ka then maka-response ka sa ilang kanang ira. Next.
Duha din. Mana nang punya klik. Ini yang dalam perjalanan ini. Sebut saat kita tidak. Jadi kita iman mau balik mana?
What to improve your game? Serving is part of the point and to give you winner. Use it not really as a just serve, but a weapon during games. So I'm serving is one type of serve. So only type of serve na kanina gamitin sa mga ganyan. High serve. The high serve is mostly used in the single in order to force your opponent to move to the bottom of the court. So high serve ay usog nga serve kaya ang mga force mo yung laban sa likod. High serve.
Wow, wow.
This is a middle serve with a forehand to persuade your opponent to let the shuttlecock close the door. It's most often used in doubles, but you cannot use it in singles. If your opponent's attack is too strong, it's double serve. You should not use it in singles game. Your opponent might think out of cards you can do it well. So ang low serve ay kinds of low serve niya. Kailangan kasagaran niya gamit sa doubles. Hinay lang niya serve. Kaya pa niya gamit siya pamali sa kanila.
Ano ba nang ikon mo dito?
So number 3 is blade serves. A blade serve is executed when an opponent has on defensive. This exercise is a very important part in the execution of this serve. On either your forehand or backhand misleading way, using serve that gives an idea that it's a low support. A low serve that at last 8 seconds later this force to tap over the left serve above the front hand of the base. So blade serve ay kay pan. Pakalit siya ang dagan sa lukas tutoy. So number 4 is drive serve. This serve is used in singles when you forehand under stamina. Relax to that balance in control position. Sabi ko ngayon, the service line. So ang kanyang serve kaya magaling sa singles and doubles. Kuhaan siya. Right serve. Right serve. So coach, Steve. Whether it is a forehand or backhand, pay attention to your preparation, submission, and stats. Hold the shuttle for the base of the correct amount. Backswing of the perfect precision fouls and the preparation. Lastly, don't forget your foul. Follow through to make sure that the little tap is very correct.
high fold. Rocket fold na.
Hala, sure ka nung likod.
Fold guys na nag-tigil. Or di na. Bawal siya, bawal. Fold. Bawal siya. Bawal siya.
pa siya, yan na. Dapat ang contact niya is nasa ubos. Ana. Then ang katangkot, kung mag-serve mo, yan na. Ana, kasi proper inyong height, hold yapon. Then mag-ana, linting, hold. Dapat ang kaya ninyo ay contact. Contact siya. Okay, sa point kayo, sabi nyo yung staff. Then next start ninyo is, hawa ninyo ang takaan, kaya na anak. Dapat one smooth tra, ano ba?
So, good afternoon, everyone. Again, our topic is all about shots and shot selection. There are variety types of badminton shots. These shots are executed depending on where the shuttlecock is in relation to the badminton court. The position of your opponent also plays a big factor in choosing what shot to execute. If the shuttlecock drops to the front court, most likely you would like to keep it with any of the shot. But kung mga shots and shot selection is oni ang pagpili kung unsang klase nga tira ang angay buhaton, depende asang matunog ang shuttlecock o asa na baro imong kontra, because importante kini kay kung sakto imong gipili, mas ayon yung ma-control imong ang imong pag-play, imong duwa, and then mas dako imong chance nga ikaw ang daog. And then anita sa mga klase sa tira. Tira. Shots ka lang. Lift or underhand. Ano yan? Underhand clear. Hit the shuttlecock in an upward motion, causing it to go high and drop to the back of the opponent's end. Ano yan? Ipasakan mo ang shuttlecock sa imong pagtira ha. Ipasakan ang shuttlecock para mas tulupad o taas o wadto sa likod sa parte sa imong kontra. And then, net kill, hit the, kani, bag-paper na kani. Net kill is hit the shuttlecock forcibly at the net area, forcing it to dive down past the opponent's end. Kani is, gusto nga pag-bunar sa shuttlecock, tapat sa net para mo, bagsak dahil, mura na siya o kanang smash, pero, dili niya siya ingon nga, para sa smash na bitik bitaw, hindi na lang siya, pero tunog.
Yes.
Then siya, gently push the shuttlecock at the net area, causing it to the drop immediately after crossing the net at the opponent's front court. Net shot is kung hindi lang ang tira, tapat sa net para landing ba yun sa tapangan sa kontra. And then, if the shuttlecock is directed to the mid-court, most likely would like to hit it within the shot. Kung ang shuttlecock na sa mid-court, kumingon sa mid-court na sa dumanda. So, number 1 is drive, hit the shuttlecock at the net, high causing it to travel flat and with restriction face the opponent mid-court to back-court area. Kaya, diretso nga tira, pas-pas, dili siya taas, padulong sa mid-court or sa back-court. Hit the shuttlecock in an upward motion, causing it to go high and drop to the opponent's back-court. Ibasa ka ang shuttlecock padulong sa likod sa court. Nakarihalas, dire. Lift on the ground. Fourth is, hit the shuttlecock softly to moderate pace into the opponent's front court to mid-court area. Fourth is, kanang hinay pero tarong ang tira padulong sa front court or mid-court. And then smash. Forcefully hit the shuttlecock with an overhead stroke, forcefully it towards the opponent's end to finish the rally. Ano yan, diba? Tapos smash, diba? Muna ka nang pinakalinag sa tanan na mag-play ka o badminton kay yung bitso ang score. Like, pinawitik to lang yung mga pagka. Overhead shots are the prepared shots that are done at the backcourt. If the shuttlecock is directed to the backcourt, most likely you would like to keep it with any of these shots. Kung nasa backcourt, clear or lock? Lock. Basta? Lock ka na. Ayaw. Hit the shuttlecock high into the opponent's background. Ibang ihit ang shuttlecock ito or backcourt, sorry. Karang kusog siya na pag-hit sa shuttlecock, paibabaw para bilog sa likod. Drop shot is hit the shuttlecock from backcourt, causing it to go down immediately after crossing over the net into the opponent's front court. And then smash. Smash is hit the shuttlecock at high speed toward the opponent's pitcher. And then mount to the hand, same signal shot. And then Michael will completely move the court.
That's selection of response. Court position. Your engagement on the court dictates your available shot from the back, clears and smashes are common, while the front court is for main shot and drop. Position. Opponent position. Observe your opponent's position to exploit their weaknesses such as tilting a drop shot if they are far from the net. Observe. Sobrang kulit sa ilang mga weaknesses from common. Rally length. Long rallies often require defensive shots that clears and slip, while short rallies can be finished with attacks or kills. Control versus aggression. Attack player can place soft shots to control our rally and buy time to recover, while an aggressive player will top attack which misses when possible. Be disciplined. Vary the trajectory and speed of your shots to keep your opponent chasing. For opponents to play out. Soft shots like a drop shot that lands just over the wrist force your opponent to hit a shot ball upwards, giving you a chance to attack. Find the gaps. Use your shots to create openings in your opponent's formation. Manage your pressure. When under pressure, consider using a slower, softer shot. Buy time for recovery rather than a fast, hard shot that uses a quick reaction. Shot selection important in badminton. Serving and shot selections are arguably the most important aspects of badminton. Good serves and choice of shots put opponents under pressure and give players a better opportunity for success.
Lead or underhand clear. Ipasaka ang hatokat para magpad taas mo adto sa likod mo kahit kontra.
So, balik sa other hand guys, ang inyong bracket is sa ubos. Net kill is, i-perform mo niya siya doon sa net kill din. Murang niya siya, drop shot. Ipahog mo sa mismong net leg. So, siya nga pagkakila. Ipatagat mo din sa pikas.
Sampun.